Today we're here at Collision and Classic. I want to thank Gerald for giving us the opportunity to come in and talk about our Rage Ultra Xtra product. Here in South Texas, we deal with heat each and every day, and with the Rage Ultra Xtra, it gives our body techs the ability to have the proper mixing and application time. Collision and Classics was started in the one-car garage of our home. It took a lot of effort and risk to get started in small businesses, but with luck and the opportunity of having a good database of information and products such as Evercoat, we were able to sustain and grow.
If you put the right amount of Rage Ultra Xtra into your body filler, you can use the same amount of hardener as you would, and it would create your work time even smoother. The workflow is better. You have more time to expend through a panel, and the sanding is better, and it just has a better outcome with the same product using these two together.
We've been using Evercoat products since I've been hired with Collision and Classics for over 14 years. Rage Xtra is a great product to use in Southeast Texas because of our heat conditions, humidity. Great product to use to mix in with your filler. Gives you a great end product, end result, great application during small, big repairs.
Collision and Classics has been in business for 35 years. We've established our product on pride, craftsmanship, and quality of product. Using Evercoat has always helped us perform those goals. It's essential to have leadership in your industry that you're working with, and certainly through Evercoat, it's sustained through our generation of work. You know, it's a joy to come to work each day when you have good sales representative bringing you the products you need to perform. And we are so fortunate to have Brian Thibodeau be our representative for Evercoat. It's absolutely a pleasure to see him each time he walks through the door. He's always polite, friendly, and very helpful to our group. It's a joy to work with Evercoat and Brian Thibodeau.